When an American number one physicist, Neil deGrasse Tyson, was asked to share the most surprising fact about the universe, the answer he gave was very informative and interesting. Surprisingly, it was also stated by Hazrat Ali 1400 years ago. Let's see together.
What is the most astounding fact you can share with us about the universe?
The most astounding fact
The most astounding fact.
is the knowledge that the atoms that comprise life on Earth, the atoms that make up the human body, are traceable to the crucibles that cooked light elements into heavy elements in their core under extreme temperatures and pressures. These stars, the high mass ones among them, went unstable in their later years. They collapsed and then exploded, scattering their enriched guts across the galaxy. Guts made of carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and all the fundamental ingredients of life itself. These ingredients become part of gas clouds that condense, collapse, form the next generation of solar systems, stars with orbiting planets. And those planets now have the ingredients for life itself. So that when I look up at the night sky, and I know that, yes, we are part of this universe, we are in this universe, but perhaps more important than both of those facts is that the universe is in us. When I reflect on that fact, I look up. Many people feel small because they're small and the universe is big, but I feel big because my atoms came from those stars.
Let's compare with Hazrat Ali 1400 years ago. He said, "You presume you are a small entity, but within you is enfolded an entire universe. If you split an atom, any atom, you find at its core a sun." Here Hazrat Ali explained nucleus at that time by calling it a sun, and also informed that an atom can be split. And we know inside the sun, elements are cooked under extreme temperatures. In the entire universe, nature's universal and sovereign law is in force. If you tread on the path of your thinking and reach its extremity, it will not lead you anywhere except that the originator of the ant is the same as he who is the originator of the date palm, because everything has same delicacy and detail, and every living being has little difference. If the smallest thing in creation is examined to be found to contain all that which is found in the biggest creatures, this uniformity of creation is a proof of the oneness and unity of the Creator. If a star empties, another overtakes or rises. Hazrat Ali, who is the gate of the knowledge of Islam, who inspired people throughout his life to ask him anything they want to. He has a famous saying about it. "O people, ask me before that I am not in you. Ask me about the corners of the skies. I know the ways of skies more than you know the ways of the land." Once someone asked Hazrat Ali to enclose the entire universe in a cup. In his response, Hazrat Ali filled the cup with water and covered the lid. The person anxiously asked for the clarity of what he did, for which he replied him that haven't you read the Quran? The Quran says, "And we created from water every living thing." And the complete verses, "Do the disbelievers not realize that the heavens and earth were once one mass? Then we split them apart, and we created from water every living thing. Will they still not believe? Today we know water is H2O, two hydrogen atoms and only one oxygen atom. Around 73% of the mass of the universe is hydrogen. Every living thing contains cells, every cell contains cytoplasm, and every cytoplasm contains 80 to 90% water. 1400 years ago, what was told? After 1400 years, it is a science. The knowledge either by Quran or Hazrat Ali. Both are the miracles of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Muhammad's religion is a religion that not only tells you how to go to heaven, but also how the heavens go. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.